Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by narrowing scope. Open File Explorer or Finder and focus the search box, then type asterisk, docx or asterisk, doc to show Word files only. Make sure to include OneDrive, Downloads, Desktop, and connected drives so nothing is missed. Once done, add filters like date modified or size to remove old drafts. You'll save time by limiting folders first. If you remember part of the name, type it in quotes to force exact matches and avoid irrelevant results. Next, you refine results using operators and metadata so the right file surfaces fast. Type name, followed by a keyword, or put a phrase in quotes for exact matches. You can also use date, greater or equal in size, to limit to recent, larger drafts. If content matters, enable content search. Windows indexes file contents. Spotlight does the same on Mac OS, so you can search for text inside documents. As you filter, check the preview pane to confirm the right version before opening it. Finally, you open the candidate file in Word and verify it's the correct version. Go to File, Info to view versions, and autosave history. If nothing appears, immediately check the recycle bin and OneDrive recycle. Next, use file history on Windows or Time Machine on Mac OS to restore older copies. If Word can't open the file, use Open and Repair or recover a previous version from backup. Troubleshooting tip: if searches return nothing, re-index your system and then repeat the search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.